So I'm going to show my garden herbs after they're dry. These are just some house plants here. So these are the dry herbs. So I always have dry herbs around. This is, what is this one? Lemon balm. It's hard to tell them when they're dry, so I gotta smell them to know. This one is peppermint. And I got, what is this? Basil. This is Perilla, also known as Sesame, but I didn't plant these. These are from a garden neighbor. And this is the rest of the thyme. I need to get more in here. And up here I have, let me take this down. This is parsley. I have a lot of parsley, but this is just some of them. Over here, this is spearmint, dry spearmint. Some more parsley right here. Let's see, rosemary. Here, sage. Yeah, this was from last year. I didn't plant any sage. And this is from 2021. And this is oregano. So these last for a long time. So that is it. That's what I do with the herbs. These are oil, herbs infused oil. I did 2 years ago. I think they're still good. This one is rosemary, peppermint, and I learned this from somebody else's video. So I use sunflower oil. Sunflower oil as the base. That is it. That's all my herbs. There's also a lot more mint in this bag. The spearmint, dry spearmint in this bag. I share a lot of these with friends, so I always have abundance of them. This old bag is lemon balm. A lot of lemon balm. So these are the sesame leaves. I've heard people refer to them as Perilla. So I hope I'm not misleading anybody, but I think they're the same thing. So I'm gonna plant some of these this year. Never planted them before. So one side of the leaf is green and the other side is kind of purplish. But it's hard to see when they're dry. So these I got from a friend, and she's Asian. I think they're popular in her culture, Cambodia. So these are the leaves, the seed pods. So I'm gonna plant them for the first time this year. I'm gonna plant a little. My garden is small, so I can't plant too much. Yep. I heard they have a lot of health benefits, so I'm all for that.